In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links within your website to seamlessly connect different sections across various pages. This is a great way to improve navigation and offer a more intuitive experience for your users. So, let's dive in. First, we're going to assign an ID to the section of the page you want your link to jump to. Locate the specific section on its page, and then head over to the right-hand settings panel. Here, you'll find a field labeled ID. This is where you're going to enter a unique name. It's important to keep it lowercase, and you should avoid using numbers or spaces. Think of something descriptive, for instance, contact section or team slider. Keeping this ID in mind is crucial since it will play a significant role in setting up the link. Now that we have our target section prepared, let's move on to creating the link from the source page. Select the element you want to turn into a hyperlink. This could be a button, a line of text, or even a link block. With your element selected, navigate to the link settings panel. Here you'll see various link types. For this purpose, we'll choose the URL option. Next, you'll need to specify the path to your destination. The format is pretty straightforward. Use the following structure: /pagename/section ID. That / at the beginning is crucial because it tells the browser the link is starting from the root of your website. Replace page name with the name of the page where your section resides, but remember not to include the file extension. So if your section is on the contact page, you simply write contact. Following this, you'll add the anchor symbol, which is the hash or pound sign, and then type in the unique ID you selected earlier for your section. Having set up your link, it's important to ensure everything works as expected. Preview your site and give the link a try. Click on it and observe whether it navigates smoothly to the correct page and scrolls to the designated section. If you're successful, the section should come into view just as you intended. This little test is important to verify that your users will have a seamless experience as they navigate through your site. This approach to linking sections across your website not only enhances the user experience, but also makes it easier for visitors to find the content they're looking for. By following these steps, you ensure your site is more intuitive and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in optimizing your website's navigation.